In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download GPX on Strava app. If you want to move your route data into another mapping tool, a watch, or keep a personal backup, exporting a GPX file is the way to go. GPX is a standard file format that contains your GPS track, including the path, distance, and timing points. Here's how to grab it directly from the Strava mobile app in just a few taps. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. You'll land on the main feed or wherever you last left off. To get to your own workouts, look to the bottom navigation bar and tap You. That takes you to your profile where everything about your account and training is organized. Next, tap Activities. This opens the complete list of sessions recorded on your account. Scroll to find the specific activity you want to export. It helps to pick the version that was recorded with GPS, such as an outdoor run, ride, or hike. Manual entries and some virtual workouts may not offer a GPX download because there's no raw GPS track. Once you've found the right one, tap the activity to open its details page. You'll see the map, stats, and splits. On this screen, look for the share icon. Depending on your device and app version, it may appear as a standard share arrow, a box with an arrow, or be tucked behind a small menu icon. Tap the share button to bring up the available options from Strava. From the share options, choose the download action to get the GPX file. The label may read download or export GPX. After you tap it, the app prepares your file and saves it to your device. On many Android phones, it goes straight to the downloads folder. On iPhone, you may be prompted to save it to Files or send it to another app such as your Route Planner or Cloud Drive. If your phone asks for storage permissions, allow them so the file can be saved. That's all there is to it. Your GPX file is now ready to use elsewhere. Import it into navigation apps, plan a reverse route, or simply archive your training. If you don't see the download option, make sure you're viewing your own GPS recorded activity and that the app is updated, since some items won't provide an export. Quick recap. Open Strava, go to You, tap Activities, open the activity you want, tap the share button, then tap Download. Thanks for watching and enjoy your training and route planning.